Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
So how can one extra word fool a powerful digital gatekeeper? Sounds like a riddle, but it's very real.
To understand, you have to meet a little creature we'll call the URL gremlin.
And its favorite spell? Something called HTTP parameter pollution. HPP for short.
See? A clean message is normal, but the polluted one has a second, sneaky parameter added in.
So here's the trick. You click the link, and that one tiny change completely confuses the website's gatekeeper.
But why the confusion? Well, it turns out not all systems read instructions the same way.
Look at this. One system might read the first instruction, while another reads the last one.
And that little inconsistency is all an attacker needs to bypass security or mess with the website.
Now, this isn't some new age magic. This trick has been known since way back in 2009.
And yet, here in 2026, so many of our digital castles are still wide open to this ancient spell. So how do we defend the gates? For builders, it's all about writing stricter, more careful rules.
And for the rest of us, our shield is just being cautious. Don't click on strange or super long links.
This really says it all, doesn't it? It proves that sometimes the simplest tricks can cause the biggest problems.
It really makes you think, if a tiny change can fool a machine, what other simple tricks are out there?
Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.